So if we go to the ads manager within TikTok advertising, when you go to campaigns, you can start building your campaign. So you have 3 layers: campaign, ad group, and ad. So you start building at the campaign level. So at the campaign level, you can click create, and then you have the first option to choose an objective with the objective of reach. So here you can click reach. For the other ones, you can choose traffic and website conversion or app promotion. If you want to gain followers on your account, community interaction could be interesting for you as well. But first, we're going to start with reach. So when you choose your objective, you need to give your campaign a name. Always good to have like a sort of same structure for every campaign you're building, so you can filter afterwards or you can find it easily. And then you need to set your budget if you click on budget optimization, which I recommend. Another option is if you leave this out, you can set a budget per ad group. But by clicking this budget optimization option, it automatically divides the budget you set up among all the ad groups you're building. So you can have 10 ad groups within one campaign. With one budget, it divides itself. So you let TikTok work for you. So I would recommend that. Then one important thing to set the budget, I think by default it's set on daily. I prefer doing lifetime because then again, TikTok will work for you, like automatically divides the budget when it's most relevant instead of pushing like the same budget every day. But it's really important to keep in mind that choose one of the two and be really noting that, because you don't want to have like the daily budget when it's supposed to be lifetime. For instance, you have a budget of 5,000 euros per month, you by accidentally set it on daily and you find out a week later, then nobody's happy. So please be careful.